In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your store. Head to your apps and then search for apps and recommended apps, Shopify App Store, or you can alternatively head to Google Shopify App Store and then find it. Right here, we are going to search Google Analytics. Click on it, and then you should be prompted with this page. In this page, you can either choose this one, Lara Google Analytics, or as I said, you can even go back and there's Analyzify. There's a lot of tools that you can use to do this. You can even go back and there's even Google channel, but that's not the same thing that we're looking for. Let's head this. Analyzify seems cool, have 5 stars, and have a lot of products going on. Let's click on it. Let's add this app. As you can see, this app have a charge of $499 on the payment, and let's click on install. And as you can see, it's authorizing, and it's gonna lead us to the payment page after this. But as we don't like that, we're just going to go with a cheaper option. For example, let's go back, recommended apps again, Shopify App Store again, and then let's close this tab, head here, Google Analytics, Google Analytics, and then search by for example, the free version on the left side right here. And then let's find this one, click add app, gonna be right directed, click install the app. After that, you will be prompted with this page. In this page, make sure to connect all of your ID in the Google Analytics and stuff. That's another tutorial for another day, basically. And after choosing your ID, you can disable some stuff, and that's basically it.